Hey everyone, got some big exciting news. We have purchased some new land and a new camper. These are some quick shots of the appraisal that we had. It's a little over 2 acres, wooded, $20 a year HOA, and access to a lake that we can have a boat on our dock. And this is my new J Series pop-up. If you're familiar with my pop-up series, I bought a Palomino Colt a few years ago, and I redid the whole thing inside and out and sold it for a profit. So I know my way around pop-ups. So this one I ended up buying on an auction for $750. The MSRP on these are $4,000. They thought it was a dud because it had a bit of moss on the outside, but the inside really clean. These people really took care of it. I hardly need to do any work to it, but I will be making some content because I did need to do some seals on the outside, butyl tape work, things like that. But make sure to follow along on our new adventure. We're going to be doing some stuff with the land and trailer.